The table saw is a power tool which consists of a circular blade mounted to a motor beneath the surface of a table. Only a small portion of the blade will be exposed above the table and is used to do the cutting procedure. It is most commonly used to perform a ripping cut, which is cutting along the grain of the board.
When using the table saw, the saw blade must not be raised more than 1/4 of an inch above the lumber or material being cut. Also, the saw blade guard must be kept down over the saw blade while the machine is in use. The fence must not be adjusted until the saw is at a complete stop. Ripping stock without using a ripping fence should never be done. When ripping narrow pieces of lumber, a push stick must be used. Also, when ripping, you should follow through until the piece of stock is past the splitter. You must never attempt to clear away scraps with your fingers. Leave the pieces where they are until the blade has come to a complete stop. When ripping, place your hand or push stick between the blade and the fence. When you are finished making your cut, turn off the machine using the bump stop. Make sure the machine comes to a complete stop before making any adjustments or removing materials. Your saw may come with an added safety feature that won't allow it to operate until it is ready. When performing a crosscut, the miter gauge must be used. When removing material, never reach across the blade to pick up the stock. Some additional notes you should remember when using the table saw are 1. Always keep your fingers and hands out of the direct line of the cutting blade. 2. When helping someone cut a long piece of material, you should only help hold the board. Never push or pull the material. 3. Cylindrical stock must never be cut on the table saw. 4. When changing a saw blade, be sure the saw is turned off and unplugged. And 5. A clearance block must be clamped to the rip fence when cutting off pieces of stock.